Hi everyone, welcome back to Swiss Home Garden. Chitra here. In this video, I want to share with you some skiing which my husband and daughter did during the ski vacation. They will be skiing around this slopes of Hoch Ybrig. This is in the Kanton of Schwyz and this is one of the popular ski slopes because it is closer to Zurich. The first few clips were shot with his telephone. Since they're skiing, they cannot take cameras or something like that. So he shot the first few clips with the telephone, and you can see that the humidity in the air was immediately converting it into ice crystals, and it was really beautiful. The temperature on this day was around minus 18 degrees, and they were sitting outside and having breakfast. The skiing part was shot with his old GoPro camera which he fixed to the helmet. Without further ado, let's start with the video. hope you enjoyed watching this video and thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe. I post one new video every week on food from scratch, Swiss country living, gardening and natural recipes. See you in my next video. Bye bye.